nasikaraw ka.
Good morning, Philippines!
You have to say it in Spanish.
Huh? I have to say in Spanish? Ang borracho yung burukay. Hold it, hon.
I'm holding it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So, mustamos? Kumusta?
¿Cómo está? Bien, gracias.
Gore-gore. Gore-gore.
Corre, corre.
Yeah.
I'll run. If you run with me.
You gore-gore? Gracias, montas, ¿cómo-estás?
Yeah, gracias, ¿cómo está?
She said, bien, gracias, means I'm doing well, thank you.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Yeah. Corre, corre is run, run.
Oh, gore-gore, gracias, so kareka.
Jorge is George.
Jorge George.
Jorge is George.
Yeah. Oh, there is a mosquito! Mosquito, ma'am.
You don't like mosquitoes.
No, it's mosquitoes in. Buen Bunedo.
Let him out.
It's right here, oh. It's right here in front of me.
Oh, maybe it'll fly out. You don't want to be in here anymore than you want to be here.
Yeah, it's right here.
It seems to be
It's right
warm.
here, oh. It's dead, it's dead.
He's still there?
It's dead already over there.
Oh.
Then he probably won't fly out. Dead mosquitoes don't fly.
So where are we heading?
Any place we always go into, they...
Buntikurikula!
Hoping it doesn't rain.
Buntikula!
This guy is very gloomy, right?
Yeah, I know.
Eso es un carro.
Oh my God, nasikaraw ka!
Carro.
There's a marakaraw karakaka.
Don't.
I don't have a clue what you guys are saying.
No, we're talking Spanish right here. Kahoy.
Oh, she's speaking strange language today.
It's kahoy.
That's Tahoy.
Kahoy. Kalsada. Kalsada, kari-kari.
I'm learning a new language. I didn't even bring a pocketbook.
We did.
You did?
You did. It's in the car, the back.
Oh, okay.
What?
Pocketbook.
What, a bag?
Yeah. Basura.
Basura.
Basura, buri.
Hey, you hear from Isabel?
Did I hear from her?
Yeah, did you speak to Isabel lately?
No.
For how long?
You what?
How long since you heard from Isabel?
How
When
long?
was the last time you spoke to Isabel?
Oh, God. At least a week. Maybe more. I don't know. I don't keep track.
I figured she calls you when she can reach you.
No. When it's coming from.
Yeah, his tummy is smoking.
It's turning for her side.
Why you smell something?
Do I smell like something? Because they get that side door open because they're trying to get the smells out of it, so I can't smell nothing because my nose is all clogged up. What do I smell like?
Old people.
Great.
I still have to cook, you know.
Basically, I'm old people, so maybe that's just my
No,
smell.
hon. Ay, nako. I know the dialysis smell, so I know, like...
Well, the smell must be really bad, because see them sitting with the door open there? I
Yeah.
know mom's freezing, but there's nothing you can do about it. There's smells in there, but my nose is so clouded I can't smell, but everybody, all the workers are complaining.
Why is that?
Because they got some smells in there they try and get rid of.
What do you think is the smell?
I don't know.
Maybe mom did mom cook?
No, it had nothing to do with Mom. They had it open before we got in there.
Really?
Yeah.
Eventually,
We have to unbox yung in-order ko sa Amazon na ano guys, na this is 70 by 120. Try natin ito. Can you give me ano? Thank you. Oh, kinda hungry, Han.
Okay, what do you feel like?
What's in there?
Huh?
What's in there?
You got your spicy chicken.
I'm gonna have that spicy chicken. I will do that after that. Oh, ito na siya, guys. You can't run away. And this is one, Han.
Right.
It doesn't say. Okay, 70 by 20. Ito siya, guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo. I will show you pag nalagay ko na siya. Ngayon, kakain muna ako kasi hindi kami kumakain ng lunch. And I still have to cook the ano, the dididudu. The broccoli wrap plus yung chicken, yung pork. Honey, right? That pork ba? That cook in the bag? That's a good pork. I wish the other one I can have it. Oh. Come here, Ann. Does it look like big? Go to that side.
120 is with one less leaf. Like a perfect, I guess. It's a little longer outside, which is nice.
Allah. So it's I should be ordering the other one, the 144.
Right. That's what you're supposed to order. I know if I came in another one.
But the other one is longer, right?
Right. 124 would be longer. Why would you think 120 would be the longer one?
Because I thought this is like 60 by 80. The one that the
60
one
by 80?
yeah.
What were you thinking?
I wish you told me.
Huh. You know that just a sideways the table is more than 60. Like 60 sideways. Without overlapping.
The problem, guys, it's not long enough. I wish I asked you, right? It's wrinkle, but in the review, people said after washing it, the wrinkling, gone wrinkling. So it's nice. Let me see here. Oh, it's nice. It's white. Ito yung sabi ko na hindi siya mataas. Sana kinuha ko yung 144. I like it. I wish longer. I'm gonna start cooking, guys. He's cleaning, guys. He's washing dishes. Because his wife doesn't clean, right?
I'm gonna have a cigarette.
To order the other, kasi sabi pa ni Tami, order ko. Kasi yung mga prices, if you go to Amazon, yung mga prices kasi is very expensive. Mas mura pa kasi mostly kapag naghanap ako noon, mga $60. And ito is $23 lang free shipping. Na, 5 something na. I think malapit na itong maluto. Yun, luto na yan, guys. Ready na yan. Naluto siya sa bag. And then, ito yon. Look. And ilabas natin. Mamaya na kami kakain, guys. Anyway. So, ito siya. Linisin ko to. Ang gagawin ko is, i-wipe lang siya ng Clorox wipe. Meron naman akong mga Clorox wipe. Hold on. Ito siya. Luto na. Nato na.
Latuna? Into the sea. Latuna, bumblebee. Lots of don't like it.
I don't know why she doesn't like us hugging. Lambada, lambada, lambadi, lambadi, babadi. Why you don't like us, Mama, loving and dada here?
She says you're ignoring me.
Advancing your career means helping more patients and providing even more care. Grand Canyon University's online programs in nursing make it convenient for you to become the expert every patient deserves.
Find your purpose at GCU, where advanced technologies drive education. Affordable, affordable. Visit gcu.edu/online.
You don't wanna kiss Mama. yung leftover namin na scallop potato. And ito yung ribs na niluluto natin. Nasa bag siya. Ang sarap nito, guys. And also, ito yung plate ni Tammy. And ang sa akin is hinugasan. Nilagay ko na sa microwave. Come in! I'm a creepy. I keep watching you. What are you staring at the ceiling, hun?
Moth on the light.
Huh?
Moth on the light.
My love is leaving us again. My love. Tami Moy. My Tami Moy. He's in his office, guys. Anyway, guys, we are going to end this vlog. Tammy's leaving. And then, what I'm going to do is edit a video. So, yun yung gagawin ko.
Hi guys. Apparently I'm going to do a shout out on Thursday. I'm sure my wife will make it as hard as possible so that I can mess it up so she can make a funny video about it.
No, it's all the guys, all the people who shares our video on Facebook. So that's the shout out he's going to do. And he is leaving his wife because that's what his job, leaving his wife all the time.
That's my job. Keep these here.
No, that's yours to
I'll have another one at home.
This is your home. He has migraine, guys.
It's not a tumor.
Huh?
It's not a tumor.
It's
Kindergarten
not
cop.
two more, hun?
Kindergarten cop. Arnold Schwarzenegger.
He cannot even see. He can't. He talk properly. I can't even
The
understand.
kid's like, oh my god, tumor. It's not a tumor.
Arnold Schwarzenegger can't barely understand what he's saying anyway. Bye, guys. Good night. Good night, baby.
Hi guys.
I'm gonna bring him to
Hi,
his
Ann.
car. I'm gonna bring him to his car.
Yeah.
I love you too.
Bye, Dibble.
She's under there. That's why I've been looking for her. She's under there.